When Jacob Zach Winsett was a kid, he didn't dream of becoming a judge. He was too busy fixing fences and milking cows on his family's farm in Chores, Indiana. His father worked as both a farmer and a welder. Jacob's days were full of early mornings, physical labor, and responsibility. That mindset stuck with him. Today, Winsett is an attorney based in Evansville, Indiana. But his path to the courtroom wasn't flashy or fast. It was shaped by discipline, service, and community. Jacob grew up in a small town with a strong sense of duty. His brother became a police officer. His sister became a nurse. From a young age, he saw what it meant to work for others. He also played sports, basketball, baseball, and football. That experience taught him how to lead and how to be part of a team. After high school at Heritage Hills, he attended the University of Southern Indiana. He earned a degree in history, then moved to Florida to attend law school at Nova Southeastern University. He graduated with his law degree in 2004. After graduating, Winsett didn't aim for a big law firm. He started small. His first job was at Burley Scales Law Office. He eventually became a partner at Scales and Winsett Law Office. But it wasn't long before public service pulled him in. He became a public defender in Warwick and Spencer counties. He also worked as a drug court public defender, helping people who struggled with addiction. Eventually, Winsett became a magistrate, then a judge in the Warwick County Superior Court. He presided over family, civil, and criminal cases. But he didn't see the job as one of power. During this time, he served on multiple committees. These included the Warwick Jail Committee, the Community Corrections Committee, and the Court Alcohol and Drug Program Committee. He also taught legal education courses to other attorneys and judges. After his time on the bench, Winsett returned to private practice. Today, he works at Bob Zoss Law Office in Evansville. His focus is criminal defense and family law. He handles cases involving divorce, custody, child support, criminal charges, and record expungements. But for him, it's not just about winning. Outside the office, Winsett stays active in the community. He volunteers with youth sports and attends live music events. He also runs to stay balanced. For Winsett, community isn't just a place. It's a responsibility. Winsett doesn't chase headlines. He prefers to work behind the scenes, on committees, in courtrooms, or coaching local kids. That's been his approach for over 2 decades, whether as a public defender, a judge, or a local attorney. Jacob Zach Winsett's career didn't begin with ambition. It began with chores on a farm. Over time, he became a trusted voice in Indiana's legal system. That belief drives everything he does, from the courtroom to the baseball field. It's not about being loud. It's about being steady. And that's a story worth knowing.